the biggest one that we still see today is a workshop or a technician saying, well, there's no warning lights on the dash to tell me that I need to do a calibration on the vehicle. And that really can be a big mistake.
Right.
Rarely will there be a warning light to say that the vehicle needs a calibration. There might be a warning light on the dash saying that the system's inoperative, but that doesn't mean it's inoperative because it needs a calibration.
Oh, okay.
So that's probably the first and the biggest one. No warning lights, I can just let the car go, and that may well not be the case. And I think the other one is that I didn't work on the ADAS on the vehicle. I didn't touch a radar. I didn't change the windscreen, for example, which would mean the camera needs calibrating. I didn't do any of that, so therefore I don't need to worry about a calibration.
Okay.
But if they changed the suspension geometry on the vehicle, they gave it a wheel alignment, if they changed the steering angle sensor or calibrated the steering angle sensor, more than likely calibration of cameras and radars will need to be done.
Okay.
So I think just to summarise the question, there are quite a few myths, but what's really imperative for a workshop today is to have information. And whether that be the service and repair information from the respective vehicle manufacturers, or the service and repair information that you can get through our diagnostic tools, or sometimes maybe a combination of both is required. But information is gold.